Hello guys, of course I'm back at the bench. This one here I've already gone through and I've cleaned these boards really good, and the usual stuff. I verified that the software was good. I verified all of the RAM was good on all boards, and I washed these boards really good. They were absolutely filthy, nasty, filthy, dirty. But in this board here, of course, this guy was fried. The inductor was fried, and the two caps next to it were missing. I replaced. So when that's fried, you got to look for what fried it, and it's always on this board. And in this case, it was the cap right next to the amp. The little bullet cap next to the amp was shorted. You just got to go searching for the shorted cap. This one, I've got it put back together. I haven't replaced any of these caps. What I did was I grabbed my meter and started checking for shorts, and there was a short here, there was a short here. I worked my way over to this way, and it ended up being this cap. But if I turn this guy on, it works. It's good and clean. But you'll see I got some nasty sound. If I go ahead, and this is start, and this is probably coin right here. So if I coin this guy up, listen. Hear that nastiness? Let's turn it off, reboot it. Okay, we are rebooted. I'm going to go ahead and grab, I have a 3900 amp here, brand new 3900 amp, and I'm just going to pop it right over this guy. Okay, yeah, it goes nuts for a minute, but watch me coin this up now. It's not as bad. It's only amplifying one channel, so this thing needs to go. Yeah, so we're going to pull this apart, and I'm going to do the caps. I'm going to replace the caps that I removed. I'm going to socket and replace this 3900, and I believe, unless one of these guys is bad, because I'm only getting one channel, and I hope that these are not bad, but I think it's just this amp. I think one channel is not being amplified, and one channel is completely distorted, is what I think is going on. So we will go ahead, and I'll go ahead and repair this, and then we'll see the results. Okay, I've got the new amp in, I got the caps in, and coin. These are the original AY 3-8910s. One of them's bad. These are two good ones that I pulled out of another board, and you can see this, they work. The board works just fine with those. So I'm going to put these ones back in the board, and we're going to find out which one of those is no good. Alright, so we've got it figured out which one is the bad one. The two green dotted ones are the ones from the other board that are tested good. This one worked just fine in this spot, and then I put the other one in this spot, and we'll go ahead and hit the coin. Yeah, this one's no good. So I will red dot this one and green dot that one. And I believe I've got some of these in some junk JAMA boards that I can pull, so I'll go ahead and do that. Okie dokie. I pulled one of these out of a random JAMA board. Actually, there's two more in the board, which is kind of cool. So let's see if our sound woes are fixed. Let's go ahead and coin this baby up. Sounds perfect. Coin and start. Nice. Let's go this way. Tanks. Tanks a lot. Uh-oh. I thought it was... Anyway, that's one down. Actually, there's a last part to this. These were the junk connectors. Yeah, this thing sounds great. I crimped 5 new ones, so we'll put this thing all the way it goes and put the new connectors on it, and that'll be it. So let me go ahead and do that. Awesome. Sounds great. All right, let me go ahead and put this thing together, put my newly crimped connectors on there, and see what we got. By the way, I went through, and what you always want to do on these MCR games, at least the last 3 pins on each side of every one of these is always cracked. So I always do at least 3 on this side, 3 on that side, 3 here, 3 there, and then I look in the middle, and if any of them look suspect, I go ahead and reflow them. But I always do the last 3 on every one of them. And then of course your power header. But over there you want to do at least the last 3, the first 3 and the last 3 of each one of those. Because they're always cracked. Always. I don't think I've ever seen them not cracked on those. Well, I mean, that's an exaggeration. Of course, there's probably been where they're not cracked, but for the most part, they're always cracked. So let me go ahead and bend this all the way that it goes and put the new connectors on it. These are the connectors that I use because I know these work. These are my MCR test connectors that I keep. I don't give those ones away. I don't sell those. Those are mine for my testing. So if I need to replace them, which I always do, I crimp new ones. So let me go ahead and put this thing the way that it goes. Little tip for you guys. You get these things, you know, these standoffs. They look like this, but they're always broken off. I drill a hole in the other end of it to put a screw in there. I don't ever throw these out. If they're broke, I just drill holes in it. Start with the smallest bit you got and just keep working up to bigger bits. That's what I do. I don't never throw them out. I'll use these before I use the ones that are still good. So, little tip. And there, those 3 standoffs are repurposed into a screw on this side and a screw on that side. And our boards are nicely connected. So, yeah, just drill a hole in there, and all you need is a little self-tapping wood screw, like a wood screw, or a little self-tapping metal screw, just like these. This is actually just a little wood screw, I think. Yeah. So keep that one in your back pocket. You don't have to throw these out when they break. Alright, and I got the replacement ribbon connectors on that I crimped. Board is all together. Another Tron. let's go ahead and let's go this way. Light cycles. Take that. Take that, you program. See ya, suckers. Alright, good enough. I cannot win from here. Sweet. A Tron. Ready to go. I'm going to let it sit here. Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to let this guy sit and run for a few hours. I'm done working for today. Just let this thing work and make sure it ain't going to flake out. Diddle-doo, diddle-doo. Oh, come on, die already. Die already. Kamikaze into the cone. Right, and I don't know what I got next. 422, 423, it looks like this box is next, and I really don't know what it is. Alright, you will find out soon enough. See you guys. This is a Patreon exclusive, because I was not even planning on messing around with recording this one. Every now and again I just blow through a repair to get it done, like Tron. I've got enough Tron on the channel, right? But nice little tip with these though for you guys. Alright, see you guys on the next repair.